In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix an Unarc.dll return an error code 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. First of all, from your desktop, click on search and type virus and threat protection and open it. Now in virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings and make sure real-time protection is toggle off. You have to do this every time when you start your PC. After this, close it and again from desktop, click on search and type your game name, then click on open file location. Now again right click on the selected file and click on open file location. After this, right click on the selected extension file, then click on properties. From here, go to compatibility mode. Now check run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and then click on OK. After this, close it. Now again from your desktop, click on search and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now go to the advanced tab. From here, click on change. Now uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Then select custom size. After this, in initial size type 8000 and in maximum size type 16000. Then click on set and then click on OK. Again click on OK. After this, you will need to restart your PC and your problem would be fixed. So that's how you can fix an Unarc.dll returned an error code 11 in just few easy steps.